What up, what up, what up? We back, dog. In case you're just tuning in, I just got finished making these bad boys right here, these burritos. I'm having a hard time keeping them together here because it's a whole lot of goodness in there, so let me go ahead and pick it up. That's what we doing, man. Got my citrus punch right here. We drinking. Go ahead and pull up. Alright, you got it open yet. How everybody doing out there, man? God bless everybody, man. Go ahead and dump some of this sour cream on there a little bit. That's good for now.
God is great, God is good. Thank you for our food, amen.
Alright, with no further ado, y'all. I know y'all ready to see me tear into this bad boy, ain't you? Woo! Look at that. Holy sh! Yeah, that's where it's at right there. That's where it's at. Woo! I'm gonna take a bite first without the sour cream. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and dip now. Do a little dip. I taste that cilantro, that little bit of heat in there. Damn, it's good. I actually put taco seasoning in there last time I did it. The teacher reminded me I didn't put nothing in there this time, but I definitely didn't need it. I can't even tell it's missing not one bit. The kids already ate and demolished theirs, so just leave me. Hope I ain't get under my damn beard. Don't touch my head. Just mess with y'all. Don't ever let nobody take your joy and confidence away, alright? It's okay to feel good about yourself. Take it from me. I damn sure feel good about myself. I'm sure y'all can figure it out by now. Damn, it's good. Alright, now I should have brought some napkins over here. Brother get to sweating every time. Yeah. Don't mess with my video. I need some napkins applied and not denied. Please. Thank you, man. My son over there, y'all hear in the background playing with that. What's that toilet toy?
Toilet trouble.
Oh, okay.
That burrito was good.
Hmm?
It was was delicious.
You didn't say it loud enough. I don't think they heard you.
It was delicious. I couldn't eat a whole one. The half of one was making me full.
You alright, man? I should have got that on camera right there.
You want a pepper?
You just bust it behind.
You can't have it. I'll give you pepper. Stay right here.
Damn. I know I keep saying damn y'all, but that's the first thing to come to mind. One thing about my corn, when I make corn, I pretty much keep it simple. I just sprinkle a little bit of sugar on there. But since we kind of was making it kind of Mexican like, put a little bit of spices in there. I think I put a little bit of pepper in there. And a little bit of dash too. And a sprinkle of seasoned salt.
You like Daddy's burritos? Okay. Alright, Come on. Don't touch her. I'm getting my drink. There we go.
I'm sure it's there. When you wait.
Taste good,
Man, what in the world I done to myself? I gotta go to the store.
Burrito?
I might have messed up. I'm supposed to go to the store. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to make it after this. I plan to go to the store, get me a cold one, you know what I mean? You know what I'm talking about? That would be the perfect way to end this day off. How we looking out there? I can't see. Can't tell. We looking like out there. Hope everything's all right now. Camera got your boy looking right or what, huh? Y'all talk to me out there. If y'all want to see me cook next, y'all tuning in. Y'all obviously like the cooking vlogs. Damn, I feel like I'm at damn. What's the place we like to go to?
Plaza has second.
Oh yeah. Man, that's what it feel like. Shit. Wait. You know I ain't lying. I got an idea, guys. So if you're in the area, what I'm trying to kick off soon is a sampler vlog. What I mean by a sampler vlog is I'm gonna fix a nice collection of sorts of some of my favorite foods I like to fix and kind of hors d'oeuvre them up and serve them out, you know, to the people. That way they can give me their thoughts. What y'all think about that? Y'all comment down below. Clever idea, right? I know. I might should have said it out loud. Somebody gonna try to steal that from me.
KV wants to be in the vlog. Go ahead, KV. Say hey to everybody. Oh my God.
Don't knock down my juice, boy. There you go.
Say hey. What's your name? What's your name? Oh, we got the K part, but don't forget. Don't forget Dion.
I don't want to.
You can't have it. You just had juice, but look, you guys. He wanted to be in the. He wanted to be in the mukbang. So he already ate though. But.
Yeah, you just ate. You wasted it. You said before you even got it in your mouth. What are you trying? I know it's good, but don't put it on now. I put it on. Well,
tastes good? You like? Oh, okay. All right.
All right, y'all. We can go ahead and wrap this one up because that stuff got me sweating. What is that? Rotel?
Yeah.
Sweating too much. And I'm about to mess up my hat. When I don't do the messing up the hats. So y'all want more look at that? Y'all make sure share the video, man. Subscribe. Spam up the comment section, man. You heard? Scream at the dude, man. KNT gang, let's get it, boy.